Hi everybody, it's Artist King here again, and I just want to welcome you back to another one of my videos. As you guys know, I am fascinated with faces, and for some reason I find collage art very, I really like it. So today I'm doing another one where I'm going to use two faces and do something a little bit different with them. So I found this really nice paper. I really like this paper. It's already aged and everything. So I put that on, and again I'm using some matte medium and some of that distress spray because I wanted it to look a little bit older than it really is. And then I think I put some gold and I mixed in a little bit of white, get gesso in there to kind of age it a little bit more and to kind of take off some of the writing from the background. So as you can see, I've done that. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick the pictures of the faces on. And I found this picture with this girl with red hair. I thought it was really nice, so I decided to use that to put some color into my piece. So I used her, and I used another face that I took the hair off. It's just the face with no hair on the other one that I'm gonna put on there. See, there it is. And I decided I was gonna do something a little bit different with the eyes and the mouth and the hair a little bit. So check it out while I do that. I found some hair on another person in a magazine, and I cut that off, and I'm gonna apply it here. And then I found some more eyes and stuff and mouth. So just kind of check it out, see what I'm doing there. I found it was a lot of fun because it changed up the entire face. You know, I thought it was really cool. It made the person look totally different, and that's what I really kind of liked about that. See, with a different mouth, so it looks totally different. And then I used some watercolor to kind of change up, put a little bit of color, more different color to the background. And I used some stencils and stuff to kind of put some texture and to make it, you know, look a little bit different. So check it out and see what I've done. Today I used the stencil. I put some white, just gonna bring out the color. And then on the other side, I think I used some yellow on the other side. So just kind of check that out. Like I said in one of my other videos, I really like using the stencils, and I think that's because I've finally figured out how to use them without making a big old mess. So happy about that. Okay, so we're almost to the end. I think I just used some more stencils and stuff on here, but we're almost to the end. So I just really want to thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and also keep in mind that I post every Tuesday and every Saturday. So I hope you'll come back and check out my next video. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Okay, all right, bye bye.